Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by heating the oven to 180 degrees C. Immediate heat ensures rise. Meanwhile, you combine wet and dry efficiently. Whisk 2 eggs with 70g sugar until pale. Add 1 tsp vanilla and melted 40g butter to stabilize the emulsion. Sift 60g flour and 10g cocoa, then fold gently to keep air. Do not overmix because toughness follows. Once batter is smooth, pipe or spoon 12 small 5 cm rounds onto parchment, spacing them so they can expand without touching. Once the rounds are baked 8 to 10 minutes and springy, remove them to cool so steam stops softening surfaces. While cooling, bloom 1/2 teaspoon gelatin in cold water, dissolve 30g glucose and 70g sugar in 30g water, bring to soft ball stage, and pour slowly into whipped egg white that contains 10g sugar. This creates a stable marshmallow. Fold in the bloomed gelatin and whip until glossy and spreadable. Make sure to work warm so the filling will adhere to cake rounds. You assemble by spooning 1 tablespoon of marshmallow onto one cake, pressing gently with another to make a clean edge. Chill the sandwiches 20 minutes so the filling firms and won't ooze. Melt 150g chocolate with 10g neutral oil to a glossy 32 degrees C for dipping. Hold each pie with a fork and coat fully, tapping off excess before cooling on a rack. If coating cracks or separates, warm the chocolate a few degrees and redip. Make sure pies were chilled, but not frozen to avoid
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.